Where can I get Starlink Standard Kit right away and save $89 in Japan? Prices at Costco Kawasaki in Japan. The one you looking at the Starlink Startup Kit router, the dish on the behind. Before looking into deeper, let's take a look at the Starlink video for start with.
Starlink uses the world's most advanced satellite technology to deliver high-speed, low-latency internet all over the world. Traditional satellite internet services rely on single geostationary satellites that orbit at a far distance, leading to high latency and unreliable connection. By leveraging the world's largest satellite constellation using a low Earth orbit, Starlink can support streaming, online gaming, video calls, and more. When your Starlink kit arrives, it'll include everything you need to connect to the internet. You will need a clear view of the sky in order to stay linked to the satellite network. Starlink can withstand extreme cold, heat, hail, sleet, heavy rain, and gale force winds. Once your Starlink has found a satellite connection, you're ready to connect.
The reason why Costco is the best place to get the Starlink Standard Kit is look at this price. This is a price usually you have to pay to obtain the Standard Kit, 55,000 yens. It's about the $370. The Costco is giving you the 2 months of service fee for free. In addition to that, if you don't like it, let's say if you purchase it, you can return it. So this is the Costco benefit. So the bottom ones, if you're going to keep on using at the fixed location, it's going to cost like 6,600 yens. And another one is a mobile location, it's got 9,900 yens. So be aware of these price changes if you are trying to use. Let's take a look at the cable, 25-meter cable composite. This is much thinner compared to the business high performance kit. If you're living in Japan, because they don't use like a 3 outlet, so you have to use this type of adapter if you're going to use in the phone. The router is the same as the business model. When you take a look at it, yeah, this is like a same router. But this router, be careful, their bandwidth is not supported like a Japanese bandwidth that you are not able to use this outside. If you do so, it's going to be illegal to use the bandwidth. This router has to stay in the house. The dish can go outside. So this is a dish look like the standard kit. This is much smaller compared to the business one. What you can do before decided purchase the Starlink Standard Kit, you can download the Starlink app and run the obstruction like running here. The right menu is like a standard dish one, and the left one is high performance dish. And from my lanai, it's I have to go around the circle to make sure this circle has to be reached to the 100% to collect the data of the satellite or any like obstructions. The high performance one, it took longer. The last like 1%, I could not locate it. There are so many obstructions around my area. After you done so standard dish already done, so I have a message. The red portion is obstructions, and okay, the high performance one looks like a finish. So I have so many obstruction on the red area. There are too many obstruction area that I guess I'm not able to use this as a standard kit Starlink unless I have to set this one at the top of the roof. So it doesn't matter whether you run the standard or the high performance dish, the result are the same. I won't be able to put this at my lanai, and this one has to be go up in the house in order to get all the satellite signal. From here, I'm going to share with you what the high performance kit look like. This is like a high performance dish. This one is much, as you can see, this is much larger than standard one. And this is the power. It doesn't come as a standard because the high performance ones require the much power, AC power. So this is the required ones. And this router is the same as standard. It's the same like a two. If the one goes to the AC powers, another one is connected to the dish. So these are the two cable. As you can see, this is much thicker. It's not like a flexible. It's much tight one. Same thing about the cable. It's very strong. Compared to the one I saw at the Costco, these cable is well made to resist all different kind of weather. Especially this cable is much thicker than the one the Costco one I seen. This is like the same thing about the 25-meter one, but much thicker. So those are sort of a difference I noticed. So these cables goes to the back. It's the same as the standard. And the one of the cable need to go into here. Another one is reaching to the dish. The long one will be goes to the dish. And I checked the speed, so I'm getting like a 180. So, but don't expect this is like a high performance one, which I'm getting this speed. So if you are going to purchase the standard one, don't expect to get this speed as well. Well, those are the differences I noticed between the standard and the high performance one. If you're going to get this standard kit, be sure to stop by at the Costco and save your money. See you next time. Bye.